The blue light on your Rheem water heater serves as a status indicator that communicates important information about your unit's operation. Here you can see the actual gas control valve with the blue status light illuminated. This light is your primary way of understanding what your water heater is doing. A steady blue light indicates normal operation. When you see this consistent glow, your water heater here is functioning properly and heating water as expected. However, a flashing blue light indicates a potential issue that requires your attention. The specific flash pattern is the key to understanding what's happening. A slow, intermittent flash, sometimes called a heartbeat pattern, typically means your heater is in standby mode. This is normal behavior when the unit is not actively heating. More rapid or specific flash sequences correspond to error codes, signaling problems with components like the gas control valve or issues such as overheating. Different error codes indicate specific problems. This reference table shows common error codes and their meanings, helping you identify what issue your water heater is experiencing. For Rheem water softeners, a slow flashing blue light typically indicates that the salt level is low and needs to be refilled. Always consult your Rheem water heater's user manual to identify the specific error code based on the number of flashes. This will give you the most accurate diagnosis for your particular model. When your Rheem water heater shows a flashing blue light, follow these systematic troubleshooting steps to identify and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your gas supply. Ensure the gas valve is turned on and your water heater is receiving gas. For propane users, verify your tank level is adequate. Step 2. Inspect all electrical connections. Look for loose, corroded, or damaged wires, particularly at the gas control valve and thermostat connections. Step 3. Perform a system reset. Turn off your water heater completely, wait 3 to 5 minutes, then turn it back on. This can clear temporary error codes. Step 4. Consult your user manual to identify the specific error code. The number of blue light flashes corresponds to different system issues that require specific solutions. Step 5. Inspect the venting system for obstructions. Blocked vents can cause operational issues and trigger error codes. Ensure proper airflow through all vent pipes. Step 6. If your water heater isn't producing hot water, check the pilot light. Follow your manual's instructions to safely relight it if necessary. Step 7. If problems persist after these steps, contact a qualified plumber or Rheem service technician. Professional diagnosis may be needed for complex issues. Important safety reminder: if you smell gas at any time during troubleshooting, leave the area immediately and contact the fire department. Never ignore gas odors.